Guys, sobrang lakas ng hangin, nakakatangay. Grabe po. Good morning. Papunta kami na ang Fancy Pan. We book it by a clock. Today is Tuesday. So wala masyadong tao. Hopefully.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. They taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny. Sorrows, kill my sorrows. Maybe one night you can play the hero. What you do to me, I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love.
Nasusuka kayo, meron silang sickness bag. Gusto ko magkape. Suka ako. Yeah. Oh, nakakahilo. We're here. Guys, may mga coffee shop after ng cable car. Wow. Lamig. Dito dapat yung mga pala jacket mo ngayon mo sinuot. What? Good na lang. Ay, lamig. Nahangin tayo. Tayo na mga picture tayo mga dito. Ikot. Hinahangin tayo. Kaya pala bawal talaga yung ano, no? Yung nandito na tayo, man. Wow, nakakatakot. Guys, tinan nyo. Guys, sobrang lakas ng hangin, nakakatanga eh. Ang steep. Guys, lilipa rin ka dito. Ang steep nung ano oh, nung stairs. Sobrang hangin. Hindi mo kailangan mag time-lapse para gumalaw yung clouds. Ito yung bababaan namin mamaya. Oh my God. Wow. Ayoko dito. Ay, second na. Nakakatakot. Bumo na dyan, mga senior.
Hindi na umakyat.
Ayun na lang aakitin mo dito.
Ayoko na.
Ayoko na, no?
Ayoko na talaga.
Pero kailangan natin bumaba doon, no?
Okay lang.
Okay lang bumaba.
Ayoko na umakyat.
Sure ka?
Ayoko na talaga.
Ay, hindi kailangan umakyat, tita, kasi yung pababa sa kabilang side. Wala kang bababaan dyan, no? Papunta yan ng, ano. Oo, oh, ayun, no, doon ka bababa sa kabilang side, eh.
Hindi yun ata.
Hindi, ito yung pang monorail. Bibili ka pa ng ticket niyan. One way lang yung monorail na, yung peak monorail natin. Nice. Wala ka sa inyo yung view. Ay, tingnan niyo yung clouds. Guys. Tingnan niyo oh. Wow. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ayun oh. Sabi nila kanina, ayaw nila umakyat. Niliunahan pa nila ako sa taas. Yung sabi nyo kanina, hindi kayo aakyat. Tapos nandito ba, naunahan nyo ako. Picture ko kayo dito oh, kasi yung fancy pan nakalagay. Yay! Mahangin sa labas. Sobrang hangin. Ikot kayo. Woo! Yay! Wow, lakas ng hangin. Grabe fuck. Guys. Wow. Oh. Grabe oh. Woo! Guys, ayun yung Guys, yun yung binaba namin. In fairness, kinaya. Actually, mas kaya pa ng mga seniors kaysa sa akin. Ayan. Wow. Grabe. Ang taas. Oh, grabe. Ay, grabe. Sinisipon ako. Wow. Ay, grabe. Grabe. Wow.
Maybe slippery.
Yan.
Thank you.
Ni-skip na namin yan kasi sobrang lakas ang hangin. Ayan. Makapit man, nililipad ako. Makapit. Praise the Lord. Nakakatakot. Pero ito pa yung lalakarin namin. Hanggang dyan. Yan. And then, bababa. Ayan, yan yung lalakarin pa namin. Oh my God. Hanggang doon. Hanggang dyan. Taas nito. Paano nila naiakyat yan? Oo. Oo. Kaya dahan-dahan. Guys, yun yung nilakad namin.
You said I was a piece of art. You decided to paint my heart, but you colored it gray, then you put it in a frame, hung it beside other house gray as mine. Oh, I should've known, should've let you go. Oh, I should've known, should've let you go. Oh, I should've known, should've let you go. But I wanted to fall in
Yay!
love.
Kilaya ng seniors! Yes! Kinaya ng seniors! Kaya pa? Tignan mo naman yun. Oo. Yes! Guys, kanina dito, takot na kami. Pero ngayon, easy na. Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan namin. Matito tayo mo. Oh.